It's me, Lenora.
It's me, Stella.
Yeah, our cousin. And
I'm D,
yep, my brother D. And then
the
that's our.
second owner of the channel.
Yep.
I'm just like a guest, you know? I'm a star.
So,
I don't
so is
matter.
Cambria.
What?
Oh, yeah. I
You do matter.
No, I don't.
Oh, guys. I'm okay. I'm totally.
I can't even move.
You can. I believe in you.
You're totally.
I don't trust any of you guys.
I'm definitely innocent.
The fact that you said that makes me more suspicious.
Why did my
of
screen
you.
go dark?
Did you die?
I don't know.
Are you in the
It
line?
normally shows me if I die, but it says waiting for your turn. What is that? I don't even know.
I think it,
Just started counting down and it was like,
Stella.
I'm sorry.
Stella, why would you ever do that? What?
I got scared.
What?
Just scared.
But I was just minding my own business.
Shut up.
No.
Yes. Shush.
Shushy, 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 shush.
Make me.
It's crazy.
I'm so good at singing.
Sure. Okay.
Stop being mean to each other, bro.
Actually,
When we become famous, I don't even know what I was gonna say.
thought you were
But
Ooh. Okay.
I think this is the first video I'm truly a part of.
Yeah. Actually, now that I think about it, I'm the one making the reaction videos, and
I just don't really have the equipment to do a lot.
dude, you know you can make your own gaming videos,
Yeah, I guess that's true.
especially now that we have some of the equipment for PS5.
Mom, why?
I don't trust you. I don't trust you. Get away from me.
oh, I don't even know what I am.
Ah! I can't. I was gonna ask you something, but I was like, oh, I can't ask you that.
Chill, Stella. Chill.
no, you're scaring me.
I'm trying to get up the stairs.
I feel like I'm stuck. Okay, I just don't know how to play this game, you guys.
It's okay. Where the fudge monkeys am I?
I don't know, but there's like weird.
I'm going through many
Everyone
events.
you see.
Have we ever played this?
Why is Cambria so tall?
Because of her character that she chose.
I'm stuck.
I'm short.
Oh my gosh! I almost shot you, D.
Look at the betrayal. The betrayal.
I'm a little confused. I'm so confused. Was I the murderer?
Yes.
But how? I don't know.
Oh my goodness.
This is crazy.
This
Very.
game confuses me. I'm not gonna
It's
lie.
not that confusing, Cambria.
You know what? It is to me. I'm slow. I'm old and I'm slow.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Over a year ago, I decided to get lipo done at San Bello, and that decision.
And let's see who's the murderer and innocent and the sheriff.
Hey.
Well, we won't be able to see until.
Hey.
What D? What D? D what?
Where'd you go? Hey,
We
Lenora,
teleported.
What do you think of the murder and the mystery?
What?
What do you think of the murder and the mystery?
You're so like news.
I like the game.
You like the murder and the mystery?
Out there, no friends.
Not the actual thing, but like the game, yes.
Do you have quick? You don't like the murder and the mystery?
Cambria.
Alright, who's listening to Oliver Tree?
Okay.
You told me you didn't know who that was.
Cambria. What are you two doing? No! D! No! D! Shiraki. Ah!
Are you just introducing her to Oliver Tree?
D! Ah!
No, I just said.
Well, I'm dead.
about Oliver
I don't know what you're talking about.
I missed him.
Totally. I don't know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Totally.
I have a couple of his albums.
Oh.
You're going crazy.
I'm sad that he
I
passed
think you
away.
might be going a little crazy.
Yeah.
I'm not Cuckoo. Hey, Stella.
Hi, Lenora.
We're in the
Why are you
afterlife
looking up all
together.
over tree?
That's not
I'm not.
Well, you're looking at a video of him. Why? Why?
Because my...
Hello! I have my Stella's POV now, guys. Cause like I'm just peak like that.
Self-centered.
Hey,
Be nice, dude.
D.
Both of you be nice. Dang. What is
I'm
what is
sorry.
with you
I
guys
just gotta say
today?
it. I don't know why.
I'm not.
a man.
Hey, D. Why must you always do this?
I dare you to come in.
I'm not gonna do that.
I'm
Oh,
gonna
look at my
cry.
nails, guys. Look at my nails. They're done. Okay. Hey. I know who it is.
I was too lazy.
Put your hands in the air. Give me your wallet.
No.
Are you even a policeman if you decide to rob?
Oh, well, it's not called a policeman, it's called a sheriff. And who assumed I wanted to be a sheriff, huh? Huh?
Hotel.
The
Hotel's the
case-
best, bro.
Okay.
I
Hotel,
swear,
hotel,
Lenora,
hotel.
you're murder every time.
I'm not the murderer every time. I don't know why I'm getting it all of a
Well, you're
sudden.
murderer every time I'm sheriff.
Well, not all the freaking time.
I call bull.
So you're not going to answer?
We've been through this before. Yes, it has.
No. It has
we
been.
literally talked about
It's
this
been
earlier.
Stella too. It's been Stella.
Sure.
I'm scared of you. Go away. I don't trust you. Why are you following me? That's even worse. Go away, D. Go away, Stella. Stella, if you're the sheriff, help.
What?
If you're the sheriff, help.
She was indeed not she was indeed not the sheriff.
You like shot her on the spot, dude.
You were acting too innocent.
Wasn't even ready, bro.
She was just standing there.
Hello?
She wasn't doing anything.
You moved an inch.
So?
He's still going. I'm just waiting for him to be done.
Whee!
You weren't saying anything.
Stairs. It's stairs.
You were suspicious, Stella. You gotta admit.
No.
Nope, D.
Suspicious by doing nothing?
Suspicious.
I think
That is suspicious.
I think Lunora was more suspicious than me.
She was literally running from me. If she wanted to, she could come back and stab me.
Yeah, but like, she does that a lot, you
I
know?
don't think Lenora thinks that far ahead.
What? I do sometimes when I'm actually locked in, but I'm not really locked in right now.
Sure.
Do
Yeah.
you want me to
You
lock
ready
in
for
on you
Tuesday?
guys?
Do it. I dare you.
Okay. Okay, I see how we do. If I can lock in right now, my brain is kind of flat everywhere. So, let me get in these stupid things. Exploding
charger.
toilet.
You need a charger?
That on the one underneath this one.
What?
Was it okay if you
If what?
sell a quick bottle?
Lenora, I think you're murderer.
I'm not murderer.
Okay, maybe then it's Stella.
I'm dead.
Oh, I see.
Snitch.
Oh my bad.
Oh,
Too bad I corner sniped.
Yeah, you corner camper.
I wasn't even camping, I was just walking. She just got on my line of path, okay?
My thing's at 5%.
do you need 6 spots?
Take that.
I need 6 spots.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna cut it right.
Hello, it's me D and my POV.
And we're all still here. Cabria's here too, by the way. She comes and goes. Her energy is so sad. Yeah, little right now. I'm gonna go over here because I want to care. Hello there, random person. I don't know your name. I think he's the creator. But
It is the creator of the game, I'm pretty sure. Well, the devs.
not how this works. What?
Cool.
Come on, I see get the baby off my lap.
Dude, it wasn't even focused.
I can't.
Hey, but still worked out, didn't it?
No, because I couldn't even play.
Oh, hold on. Gambria's working out some stuff.
Baby. Go to the video.
Go play with Grandpa.
Come on, baby bro.
Talking to our brother.
Was that your phone? Okay. Don't worry. Our baby brother's okay. It was a phone. That was a phone. He would be crying. He would be crying if that was it.
Who am I gonna kill first?
That's great.
If
Will
you're
it be
eating
Lenora? Will it be Cambria? Or will it
I will beat you where you stand.
everyone?
Why is there a tank here? Because it's a military base.
Because it can be. Chill out. No judging.
That's kind of funny because Kendra is so tall.
I am climbing.
Everyone is just so
You're
short.
climbing. Hey, where are y'all?
Under the water. Under the water.
Under the waterfall. There's no water.
I'm gonna kill Stella. That seems fun.
What? What the fudge puppies?
Purple fudge muppies, indeed.
Yeah, you're not murderer.
You be on there.
Dig.
Rude.
How did you die, Stella?
You shot me.
How did I shoot you? I was aiming at Cambria.
I think she jumped or something to get. Stella, were you jumping? No, I was walking.
I think it was because my camera was behind me.
I was walking behind her.
She was.
Oh, okay. I wasn't doing anything.
I swear, I wasn't trying to shoot you. I would have still died, but you would have had the gun.
Oh my lord.
And you wonder why I tried to shoot you, Lenora.
It's not every time.
Yeah, it literally is. It feels like it. Invincible. I don't know.
I'm stuck. I keep getting stuck. Hey, stop it. Go away.
Hi. 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 Hi.
I'm not saving you.
I'm already dead, Stella.
It's Lenora that's the murderer.
Oh, what gave it away, Cambria?
The screamed about. You didn't say Stella.
She got me.
Oh, hey, look. Look, big victory.
Let's go.
Sorry.
Sadly, I'm not alive to see that victory.
You made a great sacrifice, Dee. Whoa! Very great
It was a noble
sacrifice. Are you hotel? Hotel? Yes.
What if we don't want to do
It's
hotel?
the best map.
What are we doing?
Hotel. We're voting.
We're doing mansion.
Come over here.
Hotel, I don't
Where am
really
I mounted
get the
on?
hype for it.
Oh my gosh, you could. Okay. Well, we're voting.
Oh no,
you
I'm not.
already.
I'm not an expert.
Let's see who's the murderer, sheriff, and innocent.
Gosh, guys, I'm the murderer. You should shoot me.
Whoever Lenora is, she seems disappointed.
You guys should shoot me. I'm the murderer.
Oh, are you?
Yeah, I am. Shoot me. You should shoot me. I'm the
I
murderer.
don't trust that.
Okay, Stella's the murderer, by the way. You should shoot her.
I don't trust. Damn it.
My chair.
Your chair?
Yeah, I don't know.
Cambria.
Cambria, shoot him!
That was Stella.
You weren't the sheriff?
I was the sheriff, but she like got to me before I could even.
I thought
You're
Cambria
involved now.
was the sheriff. She's dancing.
It looks like you're dancing.
She's dancing.
No, I'm going like this. I'm going like this.
Oh,
This.
I see it now. I see it.
This.
Sorry, I only saw the
This.
first part, so it confused me.
This.
I'm
This.
sorry.
It's okay. That would be funny.
I'm just that tall.
I am gonna go. Where am I gonna
I swear.
Lights.
I swear I'm innocent, guys.
Liars.
go? I don't trust you whenever you
Lies.
say that. That is when I know you're the murderer.
Oh my gosh. You guys overreact so much.
Not even.
Bro, you say that so much.
Yeah, sure.
Go away. Go away.
Nah, I'd rather stick around you.
No! No! Dude. Don't.
Eh,
Guys, how about we can't tell each other who's the murderer, okay?
I'm innocent, I swear.
You are not innocent. You were chasing me. You're chasing me.
What's going on?
Ah!
Okay, I think I know who it is now.
You just made it more obvious. You can't react when someone's chasing you, right?
That's just that no.
It's Stella.
It's definitely
My God,
Go away.
Lenora,
It
What?
was.
get a better shot.
I'm sorry, I'm not that good. I'm not that good at shooting on a mobile.
Yeah, mobile's hard to shoot.
Mobile's easy to shoot.
That's why I use computer.
I might get better on a PS5.
I have great aim, guys.
Well, then again, you have an iPad. My iPad's kind of being occupied right now.
Why don't we switch?
I think computer is the best way to play.
Okay. I can live. I'll live. I
I
mean,
don't want to see how it's like on the phone.
no, it's alright.
You never play on the phone?
Hey, what do you think the best? Hey guys, what do you think the best way to play is?
I like mobile and PlayStation.
None of the other people answered, so you could guess.
Well, I like mobile.
What you, Cambria?
Cambria,
What?
which one do you prefer? PS5 or mobile?
Rude! Rude!
Ow! Oh. I just answered the
Look at
first
what me.
No, say that. I just walked into the room to her being shot. Okay,
What? What?
you want to be in that see how
Okay, we are now switching over POVs to Cambria. Never mind. I guess we are switching POVs to Lenora.
Guys, my voice is sounding so
Now we're
dry.
going to the.
This is the last round?
Hey.
Well, it's the last thing.
Yeah, let's try. Oh, yeah. So far, it's going pretty quick. Oh.
What?
You remind me of that one other YouTuber that has what's his name, Callum. When he picks up the wrong paper, he like go
That's
like
Cam.
Cam. I can't remember his name. I just know it starts with a C. I'm sorry.
Ow.
Who?
Cam. It's this. He likes to play like fun games with his wife.
I'm the
Funny.
queen of the world.
Since that one's a little fast, we're gonna do one more. My voice is starting to sound like someone that sounds so raspy right now.
Why?
This is the last round.
Elastavanda.
That's wrong.
Okay.
I can't move.
Maria.
Now we know.
Bad on your part.
You moved the thing.
Okay. I'm gonna leave.
Thank you for the avenge.
Okay. We're gonna end it here, guys.
Outro, guys.
Thank you for watching.
Okay,
This
wait,
is-
I'm gonna sing for you guys for an outro.
This might be our longest video. I have no idea. We'll have to check afterwards.
I hope you guys enjoyed all these.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah.
You should like and subscribe, you know, because we're so good.
If you want, you don't have to.
Yeah.
But yeah, we just do this because we like doing it, and we hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Bye. I have a cup.
I'll be a part of our step in the future.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, goodbye, everybody.
Bye.
See ya.
See ya.
Sayonara.